In today's video, I'm going to teach you AutoDS versus Dropship.io 2026. Which one is better? Here's the key idea up front. These two tools serve different jobs in a dropshipping business, so the right choice depends on where you are in your journey. Think of them as teammates, not rivals. Dropship.io helps you decide what to sell. AutoDS helps you actually run and automate the store once you're ready to sell. Let's start with AutoDS. It's an all-in-one automation platform designed to remove as much manual work as possible. You can import products into your store quickly, monitor supplier price and stock changes in real time, and hand off full order fulfillment so orders get processed and tracking is updated without you clicking through every sale. If you're aiming to scale, this matters. When listings start moving and supplier prices shift overnight, AutoDS keeps your store synced so you don't oversell or lose margin. It's built for the day-to-day operations and growth phase, where consistency and time savings translate into profit. Now, Dropship.io focuses strictly on research and competitive insight. Its purpose is to help you find winning products, analyze competitors, track Shopify stores, and validate demand before committing time and budget. That means you can spot trends earlier, estimate potential, and avoid listing products that won't move. If you're testing ideas or building your first product set, this is where Dropship.io shines. It reduces guesswork, surfaces data you can act on, and helps you learn what's working in the market right now. So, which one is better? If your immediate goal is discovering profitable products and running lean tests, Dropship.io is the stronger pick. It keeps you focused on validation before you invest in operations. But if your goal is building a fully automated, scalable dropshipping store with minimal manual tasks, AutoDS is the clear winner for long-term use. Many sellers naturally use both. Research and validate with Dropship.io, then shift to automation with AutoDS once listings gain traction. A quick tip on choosing today: consider your bottleneck. If you're staring at a blank product catalog, prioritize research. If you already have products that sell and you're buried in order processing, prioritize automation. And remember, tools amplify your strategy. Solid product selection, clean listings, reliable suppliers, and responsive customer support still matter. Use Dropship.io to get clarity on what to sell, then let AutoDS handle the heavy lifting as you scale. That's how you build a smoother, more resilient dropshipping business in 2026.